Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying compatibility and gathering basics. Check your phone OS and whether your TV supports AirPlay, Chromecast, or Miracast. Once done, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This is critical for discovery. If Wi-Fi is unreliable, plug in a USB-C or Lightning to HDMI adapter now so you can switch to wired mode. While you do that, open your phone's screencast or control center so the device list is ready when you move to pairing. You now choose a method and perform the pairing steps. For wireless, open Control Center or Android Quick Settings, tap Screen Mirroring or Cast and pick your TV or dongle from the list. Accept prompts on the TV if asked. For app-based casting, press the cast icon inside the app and choose the TV. If you opted for wired, plug the HDMI adapter into your phone, connect the HDMI cable to the TV, and switch the TV to that HDMI input. Your phone screen should appear instantly. You finish by optimizing the connection. Set orientation lock off, raise volume, and choose full screen in the app for the best viewing. If the image lags or fails, restart your phone and TV, rejoin the same Wi-Fi, and try again. Switching to a wired HDMI adapter often resolves persistent issues. Make sure both devices have the latest updates, and if the TV doesn't appear, turn Bluetooth off and on to refresh discovery. This single tip fixes many hidden pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.